So here's the milk crate I built to put on the cargo rack of my electric bike when it gets here, to be able to haul some cargo. It's just made from 2 milk crates. This one on the bottom, as you can see, the lid stays up nice where you want it, and I just drilled a 1/2 inch hole right here and put one of those little bungee cords with the plastic ball on the end through it. To close it, you just reach inside here and grab this loop and pull it till it's over top of there, and just straighten it, and it snugs it up. And you can see it's very secure. So for the hinges, what I used was these giant zip ties. But this top section right here is just the bottom of another milk crate. And I used a multi-tool to cut it. Like if this were the one I was cutting, I cut it along this line, except I left 1/2 of a square little angle here. On each corner, I left one there, and then just cut it all the way here, and all the way around on all 4 sides. And to get in it, you just pop your bungee off and lift the lid. And that's what I like about it, is it does stay open. Inside I had some old yoga mats laying around, and I just trimmed those and dropped them in there. To open it, you just pop open the bungee, and what I like is the lid stays up, so you can mess with your cargo hands-free pretty much.